Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create AI automation service ad design in Photoshop. Begin with a dark premium AI theme background, then add neon blue and purple shapes to build an intelligent visual base. Insert a futuristic robot icon AI chip shape in the center. Now soften its edge using Gaussian blur to for a tech glow. Add circuits around the main icons using line tools. Create a bold headline like automate your business with AI. Use sleek fonts that match AI branding. Then add smooth gradient streaks behind the main text. Insert a CTA bar at the bottom for engagement. Also add